Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I literally just came from outside and it's freezing. Like, it's Friday, by the way. I'm finally gonna try the Wingstop's chicken sandwich. I'm very late, but whatever. Again, today's Friday, so we're taking a shot. It's a lot. Look at it. Why did I fill it up so much? Oh my god. Today, Wingstop. Yeah. So I got, oh, what's this? I ordered, oh, this is a Cajun corn. I have to go thumbnail so I do this. What you just think? The Cajun corn. That looks, ooh, yummy. I got some wings. I got, what wings I got? Oh, this is the Korean chicken sandwich. I got two chicken sandwiches because I never tried. So I'm like, let me try both of them. I got one. I know one is spicy Korean. This one's the one I just showed you, spicy Korean. And this one is the Atomic. Oh my goodness, what the hell did I do? That thing smells so strong. Oh my god, I'm looking to myself. Alright, my clothes is wet because I wet my hair. So alright, this is the Voodoo fries. Ooh, it's crazy. Oh man. Okay, so I was gonna tell them no ranch because I don't like ranch, but I wanted to try it with everything because you know this is how it is. So this is it. Oh wow. Okay. And this, oh, this is the wing. This is the lemon garlic. Yeah, this is the next thing. This is the lemon garlic. And I got some blue cheese. That's my favorite. Okay, so I got the fork. What I'm trying first. So the ketchup. Alright, hold on. I gotta do the thumbnail first. 1 minute. Alright, so this is the Voodoo fries. I think it's called Louisiana Voodoo fries. Yeah. Louisiana Voodoo fries. We're gonna see how it tastes. What do you come with? It's a little spicy. It actually tastes good. I thought I wasn't gonna like it that much because of the ranch, because I don't like ranch, but it tastes good. Yeah, look at it. Woo. Not bad. So it's ranch sauce. Ooh, that spice coming in. Ranch sauce, cheese, ranch sauce, cheese, and it's Louisiana rub. I didn't know it was spicy. It's good. I like it. I didn't expect the spice though. Listen, one thing about the cold outside in New York City, it's gonna make you feel sleepy, because I was sleepy. I was in Wingstop waiting for like an hour and a half. I don't know why when I go to these places I gotta wait so long for food. Like, come on. I mean, I understand everybody's a Friday, everybody ordering, so I understand. But look at the degrees in New York City, people. Today's Friday, February 3rd. 13 degrees. And tomorrow's going to be even worse. The lowest is 5 degrees. And the highest is 26. Okay? They're freeze broad, man. Alright? And I got a green tea to wash all this down. Surprisingly, some of them still say 99 cents. I've seen some that says 125. This is my favorite green Arizona, the green tea, and then they the other one is the watermelon and then the mango. All right, and what we trying next? We're gonna go for the corn, the Cajun corn. That's no, I didn't. This is they give okay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I think it was for 3 something, 3.49. Let's see how it tastes. Mmm. This is really good. Like, why do you think I have spice though? Like, it's a little spicy. Or I might taste it from the maybe it's from the fries. Wait, hold on. I'm feeling a little tipsy. I can't tell if it's from this or it's from that. It's good. It's really good. Oh my god. Yeah? Yeah. I can that shit up. It's really good. Okay? We're gonna go for the we're gonna try the wings first. So we're gonna see. This is how it's looking. Should I try it first without it? I think I'm gonna try it first without it. Hold on. As soon as I bite it, I taste the lemon. As soon as I bite it. It is good. Oh. This is good. I see this how it tastes with the. Oh, I'm so tipsy right now. I'm gonna stop taking shots on the Fridays. I am tipsy, honey. Look at that. A lot of garlic. It tastes so good. Oh my god. I like these wings. This is good. A whole lot of garlic. I love this corn. So good. Alright. This is really spicy. Yeah, it's a little spicy. A little bit. A little salty too. It's a little salty too, yeah. I'm about to do some green juice tomorrow. I'm not trying to my blood pressure go up. This is good, yeah. Alright. Take some more of the fries. I'm gonna try that atomic sandwich last. I'm scared. Y'all like in step and stop. Steph and Tosh mukbangers, and she was like, the guy was like, "You want an Atomic?" Now, when you ask that, you know, but as soon as I open this, wait. When you ask that, you know that's not a good question. Like, you know that's not a good thing. When the way I always asked it, you want an Atomic? Like, what you mean? Alright, should I not get it? But as soon as I open it, I smell it. Oh my god. I smell the spice. As soon as I open it. I'm scared. I don't know why I got that. I'm so scared. I prepare for this. I'm tipsy. I'm probably gonna take 2 bites and put it on for tomorrow, cause baby, I'm just doing new stuff this year. Like I'm just coming out of my comfort zone. Last year I was like afraid, I was shy, but this year I'm doing anything. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try the spicy Korean chicken sandwich. It's always come like this. Oh, oh, come with pickles. Oh, not pick up the side. That's pickles. That's it. That's pickles. Look at it. Spicy Korean. It looks like it's crispy, so hopefully it is. Cause baby, I think it's a butter bread. I was watching the Steph and Stasha. That's what they said. I think it's a butter bread. So let's see how it tastes. Mmm. This is good. Mmm. I don't think it's spice though. But it's good. I think I want to dip in some blue cheese. Oh. Hell yeah. It's not spicy. And no type of spice at all. I don't know where you get spicy Korean from, but it's not spicy. It tastes really good though. I'm getting prepared for this. I tell you, when I... Oh god. I'm so scared to try this thing. Come on. When I open this, I smell it like, the scent just come out and lick me on my face. Like, okay. I think I'm gonna cut it half. I'm gonna cut it. Come on. It smells so much freaking pepper. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god, what the hell? Oh, so spicy. So spicy. Okay. The spice level is at a 10. Okay? It's at a 10. I like, Ah. My lips. Oh my god. I want to go one bite. Oh my goodness. Let's just eat some of the rest. Oh, this is too much. I'm gonna try with the blue cheese. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in the blue cheese. That blue cheese did not help. Oh, my body just, mmm. Oh my god. Everything is hot. Oh my god. Frig. Why did I choose this sandwich? Okay. I don't think I can do this. Okay, it's hot, and oh, I didn't show y'all. Did I? I didn't show y'all. Shit, I forgot to show y'all. Did I? I didn't open it. It's very spicy. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I'm trying to eat that. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire. My mouth is on fire. I don't know if I can do this. Right. Uh-huh. Goodness. See what I don't like about Wingstop? They give you all this food. You order all this food and you give you no napkins. Like, what if I didn't have the paper towel in the house? Like, come on. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh my god. Mama still eating this. Who's some pepper? A beer pepper, beer pepper. Yo, it's just spicy. Oh. Oh my god. I wanna go for this last piece. It's barely anything, but I wanna eat it. This is staying for tomorrow. I am not eating this right now. Nope, not eating. Not back. I open back for. Oh. Oh God. Yeah. What in the hell? Man, listen. I said, I can't even talk. Oh my God, no. I said I was gonna do the one chip challenge. Bitch, where? Bitch, where? Me not do it. No, not do it. And I watched the one chip challenge reactions, and then worse than this. So me can't take this. Like, oh, I'm not doing it. I cannot handle this. So I know for a fact I'm gonna be crying, like literally crying. Let me do one chip challenge. Man, I do it. Okay, I'm ending this video. I'm done. I'm gonna finish this one off camera. I'm finished. Okay. I'm gonna give it a. I don't even know how to rate it because it's so spicy. It's like I don't taste. I taste the sweet, the juiciness of it, but I taste more spice than anything, so I don't even know how to rate it. A 2? A 2? Because the wings is a 10. The corn is a 10. The fries is a. I'm gonna give the fries a 6. The spicy Korean is a 10, right? I said that, yeah. What did I eat? That was it. Oh, okay. I'm finished this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please, I'm asking you to like this video because I just put myself through hell. Please like this video and come back and watch more videos because I'm doing new things on my channel this year. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.